Jai Hind friends, welcome back to Raviman IAS Academy's YouTube channel. Our today's topic of discussion is the syllabus and the book list for UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination. As discussed in our earlier video, the preliminary exam has two papers. First is the General Studies and second is the CSAT paper. The syllabus for the General Studies paper is as follows. The first topic is of current affairs. Questions will be asked from current events of national and international importance. One should be well prepared with at least 12 months of current affairs before appearing in the exam. Second topic is of history of India and Indian national movement. For our convenience and study, we divide the Indian history into three parts: the ancient, the medieval, and the modern history. The third topic is of Indian and the world geography. Questions will be asked from physical, social, economic geography of India and the world. The fourth topic is of utmost importance for every civil services aspirant. It is of Indian polity and governance. Questions will be asked from constitution, political system, panchayat raj, public policy, rights issue, etc. The fifth topic is of economic and social development. Questions will be asked from sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiative, etc. The sixth topic has recently received lot of importance in the UPSC civil services exams. It is of environment. Questions will be asked from environmental ecology, biodiversity, and climate change. Seventh topic is of general science, that is physics, chemistry, and biology. Now let's check the book list for General Studies Paper 1. For current affairs, you have to read the newspapers like the Hindu or the Indian Express. Tune into Rajya Sabha TV channel to listen to the debates, discussions, and special reports. You can go through the online portals which are specifically made for UPSC civil services exams. For second topic, that is history of India and Indian national movement, refer to modern history book by Spectrum publication. Go through Indian arts and culture book of NCERT Fine Arts. Read NCERT of 11th and 12th standard. For Indian and the world geography, read the book Certificate Physical and Human Geography by J.C. Leong. It's a very important book of geography. Read NCERT from 6th to 10th standard of old syllabus and 11th and 12th of new syllabus. You should have a world atlas with you to understand and study the Indian and the world map. For Indian polity and governance, you should have a book called Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. Also go through the NCERTs of 9th to 12th standard. For economic and social development, you should have a book of Indian economy by Ramesh Singh. Also read the Union Budget and Economic Survey which is published by the Ministry of Finance. For the topic of environmental ecology, biodiversity, and climate change, refer to the environment book by Shankar IAS Academy. For general science, read the NCERTs from 6th to 10th standard. Also regularly go through the Science Reporter magazine. The syllabus for the CSAT paper 2 is as follows. The first topic is of comprehension. Most of the questions in CSAT paper 2 are of comprehension. Second topic is of interpersonal skills including communication skills. Third topic is of logical reasoning and analytical ability. Fourth topic is of decision making and problem solving. Fifth topic is of general mental ability. Sixth topic is of basic numeracy and data interpretation. To cover all this topic, you should get the following books. For quantitative aptitude, refer to R.S. Agrawal. For logical reasoning, refer to R.S. Agrawal. You can also refer to the Tata McGraw-Hill publication books. Also go through the previous year question paper to understand the CSAT paper 2 pattern. If you have liked this video, do share it with all your friends who are preparing for the civil services exams. Also subscribe to our channel to get such new and important videos on UPSC civil services exams. Thank you.